How does suggestibility cause mass hysteria? Imagine a crowd suddenly reacting to something that isn't really there. It might be a strange noise, a rumor, or even a small symptom. How does that happen? Well, it all comes down to suggestibility. Suggestibility is how easily someone accepts and acts on ideas or suggestions from others. When people are suggestible, they tend to fill in gaps in their understanding with what they hear from others. This can lead to false memories or beliefs. During mass hysteria, many people accept suggestions at the same time, which makes the phenomenon spread quickly. Think about how emotions influence suggestibility. When people feel scared or anxious, they become more open to suggestions. If one person in a group starts showing symptoms or expressing worry, others might see that and think, maybe I should be worried too. Their minds are more receptive to ideas that confirm their fears. Individual differences also play a role. People with lower self-esteem or less confidence in their own judgment are more likely to accept suggestions from the group. They become the ones who spread the symptoms or beliefs to others. It's like a chain reaction, with each person influencing the next. False memories are another piece of the puzzle. When someone isn't sure what they experienced or doubts their perceptions, they're more likely to believe suggestions from authority figures or the group. Someone might genuinely believe they saw or felt something that never really happened because others have told them it did. Repeated messages are powerful. When a suggestion is repeated often, it becomes part of what people believe is true. If many people talk about symptoms or dangers repeatedly, those ideas stick. This makes individuals more likely to accept and internalize them. Environmental factors also matter. When people are uncertain about what's real, suggestions take hold more easily. If they lack reliable information or are overwhelmed, they're more vulnerable to mass hysteria. For example, if a rumor spreads about a danger and no one offers clear facts, fear can grow unchecked. The placebo effect shows how suggestion can produce real physical effects. When people are told they will experience something, their bodies sometimes respond as if it's true. In mass hysteria, individuals might develop symptoms because they believe they will, creating a self-fulfilling cycle. Throughout history, we see examples where people develop rashes, paralysis, or seizures without any physical cause. These symptoms are real to them, but they're driven by the power of suggestion and collective belief. It's incredible how the mind can influence the body in this way. The process usually starts with a trigger, like a rumor or a strange event, that causes anxiety. Suggestible people accept the explanation and start showing symptoms. Their visible reactions then suggest others to do the same. As more people join in, the symptoms spread through the community like wildfire. Even when evidence shows there's no real threat, mass hysteria can keep going because each person who believes and shows symptoms encourages others to do the same. It's a cycle fueled by suggestion, emotion, and social influence, making mass hysteria a fascinating example of how powerful the mind can be in shaping reality.